Alright, here we go. On our way to MRRF 2025. This is my second year going, and it was bigger this year than last year, so I was really glad to see that. So, I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of what we saw. So we left around noon and showed up about 2 p.m. and right when we pull up we see this 3D printed RC drag race going on. Got the tail end of one of those. So the first thing we see as we get in the building are these giant prints by Tiefling Workshop. Here we have some 3D printed furniture by Roberts 3D. Tech Cheaper brought out the Positron. It's an upside down 3D printer. He also asked everyone coming to print off their own marbles for this 3D printed marble run. There were some really cool designs. Some people were actually able to get their logo printed on the marble. This was Layer by Layer's booth. He came all the way from Baltimore. He's got a really cool podcast. I'll have that link below. These prints were by Elion Engineering. I think I'm saying that right, but they do all kinds of stuff. Web development, software development, 3D printing, but they had some really nice prints on display. They were here last year, but they had a lot of new stuff to show off this year as well. This ship is specifically made for playing Dungeons and Dragons. You can open up and see inside and move your characters all through it. I think this would probably be the best experience you could have playing Dungeons and Dragons. I can't remember whose booth this was, but they had some really nice prints. If anyone knows, definitely write that down in the comments. And here's K2 Kevin, the guy behind the maker chips. Here's some of the maker chips and other swag I picked up while I was there. I actually won a roll of Polymaker filament, so that was really nice. Got some nice band from Overture. Really enjoy their filament as well. But all these people will be linked below, and thanks a lot for watching.